Hello everybody, welcome back to Ian's Shop. Have you ever thought that all your friends are stupid and will fall for everything? Well, here's a little gander, and you can try out that theory. So, we are going to tell you guys how to convince your friends that you're a god. But if your friends are that stupid to think you're a god, then you need new friends. So, basically, we will be showing you different ways you can prove to your friends that you are a god, and that you have god armor, and that you're basically the ruler of Minecraft. But it has to be really, really new or stupid person in Minecraft. Okay? Okay, so basically, what you want to do is put on your elytra. Now, it has to be survival mode, by the way. I don't think they'll get really, you know, they will get the hint that you're not doing it right. So basically, in survival, you can have like an elytra or anything, and use just normal fireworks, like ones with no explosion. So if you do that, you can fly around, and you can just convince your friends that you can fly. Now, you have to hide the fireworks, so the friends don't know, oh, you're using firework, can I use it too? And like, no, of course not, it's my godness. Oh, I should not have landed there. Now let's take off the... Oh, that's what cursive binding is. I think I'm the stupid one. No. That's not how it's supposed to work. So, the second thing. If your friends are really stupid, oh hey, we can hang out by the water. Well, sure, of course you can. Now, you will have frost boots. I don't think they must be pretty stupid or new, or just never looked at in the enchantments to not know what frost walker is. Yeah, I just walk on water like this. And if they do know what it is, just say, oh yeah, this is a new type of frost walking where you get to trap animals, like, waha, I've trapped a squid, whoosh, you know? So basically, if they believe that, then you really need new friends. So now for a second, 2 more packs that go around with it. The aqua helmet. It has aqua affinity, so of course it is going to make you breathe on the... Never mind. Okay. That went as expected. I totally did that. But luckily we have a plan B. So, if you want to convince your friends that you are a god, you must drink the water and then swim. You must do that. But you have to keep the hat. The hat is, if it's one thing you need to buy, you have to buy the other. So keep the hat. It's just really snazzy looking. Plus, it just should go along with it. I don't know why. So, second, you have death boots. Boots with death strider. So, you can basically walk around like you're running in real life. So as you see, I am running underwater. Because you can't do that in real life. They'll be like, oh my gosh, you're the best guardian. Oh, thank you, or whatever your name is. So now you have your own boots you can run around with. So another thing to make you seem like a god. I didn't really think that far. Oh, okay. I got another way you can be a god. So get this pumpkin. It has to be really stupid to not know what this is. So now you have a pumpkin on your head. They will be like, oh my gosh, you have a pumpkin on your head. And so they'll believe you. They will. So watch as I'm it's kind of hard to see in here. But watch as I go and try to like convince an animal that I'm boo. See, look, it's running from me. Now let's see without the pumpkin. Boo! It's running from me. Okay. So let's do another thing you can do to be a god. Now, let's take a gander. Where was it again? Aha! You can... Never mind. What to make you feel like you are a god. So they must not be able to look in this inventory. But... You can say that this thing, the observer, is actually an observer, and that it can actually watch you, and that you can summon these things, and then just go ham with placing them everywhere. Okay, that's all that I got for Ian's store. Stop by to buy these amazing items, including the pumpkin. and the fireworks included. So if you guys enjoyed this video, or advertisement, I'm not sure, just put it as an advertisement. You can go down to the Ian shop over here with all my expensive stuff. This is also $25,000. And so, there we go. I will be putting it in here along with me. You have to buy an Ian as well. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this. And goodbye!